With the closing events of the TRC happening in Ottawa, it's a special opportunity for us to share our gifts of hospitality, love, inclusiveness, and justice seeking. The Commission has finished its official work, which is to inform all Canadians of what went on at the residential schools and to collect the truth from survivors, families, communities, and anybody personally affected by their experience at the school. The schools and the policies behind them took 7 generations of children out of their home. It caused the children to lose their language, lose their culture, lose their family. The Anglican Church of Canada, which administered some 36 schools between 1820 and 1969, has raised millions of dollars to support the process of reconciliation and healing. And we, as a church, and many individuals have committed time, money, and prayers to building new relationships between non-Indigenous and Indigenous Canadians. The release of the report marks the end of the TRC, their official mandate and their official work, but it is the beginning of a journey of reconciliation between non-Indigenous and Indigenous Canadians. This journey is a time for us as individuals, as a church, and as a society to shape new relationships with the First Peoples of this land, relationships based on respect, justice, and equity. There cannot be peace and harmony without justice.